Hey everyone, need a Verizon eSIM activation QR code? I have got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to get it quickly and set up your eSIM hassle-free. Let's dive in. To get your Verizon eSIM activation QR code, you can either visit a Verizon store where a representative will provide it or contact Verizon customer support by phone or online to request the QR code via email. You can also find eSIM QR code in Verizon eSIM support page. Once you receive the QR code, scan it with your device's camera during the eSIM setup to complete activation. Understand how QR code works. When you activate the eSIM on your phone, you usually need to scan a QR code. This QR code helps your phone connect to Verizon network by providing the necessary setup information. Verizon uses the same QR code for all devices and orders. This QR code contains general Verizon network information, not your phone's specific details. When you scan the QR code, your phone sends its unique identifier called IMEI to Verizon's network. Verizon check if this IMEI is authorized and linked to your phone number and account. If everything matches, Verizon activates the eSIM on your device. Method 1 during device setup. If your device required a QR code for eSIM activation, it will often be provided during the initial setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions. The QR code may appear on your device or be sent to you digitally. Sometimes the QR code may be emailed to you after you signed up or included in your device's packaging. Method 2. Contact Verizon support. You can call Verizon customer service at 1-844-489-0196 or use online chat to request an eSIM QR code. Be prepared to provide your device's IMEI number and specify the line you want to activate. Verizon support can email the QR code to you or provide instructions for activation. You can also scan QR code from Verizon website since the code is same from all users. Method 3. Visit store. You can also visit a Verizon retail store. A representative can generate and print the QR code for you on the post. You can find the nearby Verizon store by entering your address or zip code or city in Verizon store page. How to use the QR code for activation. Ensure your device is compatible with Verizon's eSIM service. Connect your device to Wi-Fi. On your device, go to the settings menu, example settings, then go to cellular, then go to add cellular plan on iPhone. Select the option to add or activate a new cellular plan using eSIM. When prompted, use your device's camera to scan the QR code provided by Verizon. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete activation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.